People sometimes ask me, what makes a good bankruptcy attorney? And my response usually is an attorney who's practicing in this field who has empathy. Someone who really can understand what their client's going through. Someone who's going to be responsive and understand that the decision to finally come in and see a bankruptcy attorney is a very difficult decision to make. I'm doing this kind of work almost 14 years, helping people with financial problems. I can tell you that 95% of the people who come in to see me say the same thing. They say, Mr. Perlman, I don't want to be here. Or, Mr. Perlman, I didn't intend to end up here. Or, Mr. Perlman, I never expected that I was going to have these circumstances. What does that tell me? The people are there for the most part because their circumstances beyond their control. So a bankruptcy attorney needs to understand that situation from the client's dynamic. They need to understand that the client doesn't want to be there. There are circumstances that have mostly compelled them to come and see you, and you need to be empathetic to their circumstances so that you can help guide them through the process. Listen, nobody wants to come in and see an attorney. My family always tells me, nobody wants to come and see me. But when the person or the consumer or eventually the client comes in, you eventually want to make them feel comfortable so that they understand that their concerns are being addressed. If they have a bank levy, if they have a sheriff's sale, if they have a wage garnishment, they've never experienced this before. 95% of the people come to see me have had no interaction with prior attorneys. So they want to know that when they're coming in to see me, that this is going to be handled, they're going to feel comfortable, and they know that these concerns are going to be addressed, and they're going to be addressed timely.